From your backyard to the mountains, Jackery has your outdoor power needs covered with the all-new Explorer 1000, one of the most powerful and compact portable power stations on the market. Weighing only 22 pounds with an easy carry handle, the lithium battery generator packs a massive 1,002 watt-hours and is much more travel-friendly than traditional field generators. Our system features 3 AC outlets, a carport, 2 USB and 2 USB-C ports, including Quick Charge 3.0 technology to power your devices more efficiently. A smart LCD display provides accurate input, output, and battery level readings, while the side of the unit features a bright LED flashlight with an SOS function in case of emergency. Take the Explorer 1000 with you everywhere, and you'll never need to worry about running out of power again. Once the unit reaches low power, you can plug it into a wall outlet, car charger, generator, or better yet, try pairing it with our 100-watt solar panels to recharge on the go and completely eliminate your carbon footprint. We've equipped the unit with a MPPT solar charge controller to offer up to a 20% increase in charging efficiency. Set up the ultimate campsite and power your lights, coffee machines, coolers, and even your CPAC machine, ensuring a good night's sleep in the tent. And when the adventure takes you to the backyard, be the life of the party, bringing you and your friends quiet, clean energy while powering multiple devices simultaneously. The unit meets the power supply needs of more high-power electrical devices, so in the event of a power outage, you can rest easy knowing that your Explorer 1000 can serve as a backup generator to keep your essential appliances up and running. Whether you're going camping, road tripping, or just need an emergency power solution,
ECOFLOW is excited to introduce Delta, the world's strongest battery generator. Delta is a landmark of both design and function, bringing you the most power, the fastest recharge, and peace of mind in any situation with no gas and no noise. The unit packs a massive 1,300 watt-hours, finally a battery that can truly be a home generator. In the case of a blackout, leave your worries at the door. With an output of 1,800 watts, Delta meets the standard of any wall outlet, so you'll always feel right at home. With Delta, you're never away from work for too long. Delta has the fastest recharge rate on the market. Recharge from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. Delta is both compact and lightweight. No matter where you go, you will never be slowed down by the heavy load of a gas generator. Delta isn't just powerful, it's as rugged as any tool in the shed. The unit is reinforced with an aluminum chassis that protects the battery pack inside. And with strong rubber padding built into the outer shell, you never have to be concerned when the going gets rough. From home energy storage to electric vehicles to mobile power, the whole world is moving to batteries. So ditch the old generator. No gas, no noise, no maintenance. ECOFLOW's Delta is the new standard of battery generators. For your family, for your work, for you.
Introducing the Raptic Titan and Titan XL. Portable, rechargeable batteries for powering your adventures and keeping you safe in emergencies. The Titan and Titan XL are silent and eco-friendly power solutions for use in any situation where you might need power. The more compact Titan features a battery equipped with 224 watt-hours of power, while the Titan XL has double the capacity with its 500 watt-hour battery. Both models are easily capable of powering your mobile devices, CPAPs, computers, and small appliances, so you can be prepared for the unexpected, whether you're at home or on the road. The Titan and Titan XL both feature a 12-volt carport, a USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, and an AC outlet for powering your devices. You can recharge your Titan using USB-C or with the included wall adapter. And you can recharge anywhere from your home to your car and even outdoors with a solar panel. Both models are constructed with a durable aluminum body with rubberized corners for extra protection. They have a handling strap for easy portability, and the larger Titan XL can be worn over the shoulder with a shoulder strap. The Raptic Titan and Titan XL. Compact, portable, and powerful, giving you power where you need it most.
Need power? It's always right there at hand. ECOFLOW River 2 Series. Lighter, faster, more powerful. Whether you're on an adventure, remote working, heading on a road trip. Just plug it in. There's plenty of power for all your gear. Even if it gets knocked over, it's tough enough to power on. Run multiple devices at once. 1, 2, or even 10. And there's room for one more. Low battery? Take time out to soak up the sun. Taking a drive? Even better. They're the perfect power couple. When you stop for a break, you'll both be recharged. At least 3,000 times. So, when it's ready to head out again, River 2 is ready to go. Are you? ECOFLOW River 2 series. Power never been this easy.